Now, if that was a box like a light fixture box, an electrical outlet box, on those, if you've seen me, I just use a hacksaw and cut the nails off, because usually those boxes have 2 nails on the sides and they go across here, nailed into the stud, and all I'm doing is cutting those 2 nails off and fishing the box out. Well, I can't really do that for this, but I can still kind of probe around up there with my gloves and stuff and see where that bracket's going to be, and chances are I'm not going to be able to cut it with this. I mean, maybe a little bit, but once I know where the bracket is, then I could get my Sawzall and put a metal cutting blade on there. Once I figure out where those wires go, the last thing you want to do is start just zipping around there, think, oh yeah, just get up there and get it done, get a big old long blade, start cutting, and then you cut one of those wires up there. I'll have to watch that and be careful and go slow, and I can always look at the wires, and if they start moving a little bit, that means I'll be hitting the edge of the Romex, making it wiggle, and then I'll have to stop and see what I have to do about moving the wire or coming in at a different angle or something like that. And maybe, just maybe, I might be able to save that box and still use that box up there instead of even getting cut in light fixture box for that. I might be able to use that and then drill some holes on the side, put some screws into it, and just screw it into the side of the floor joist. Okay, the floor joist is either going to be going on the right hand side of it, like that, or the left hand side of it, like that. And so that's where that bracket should be. And once I see that, I can see where that is, and then I can measure over 16, 16, 16, 16, like that, and then start doing some prying and probing and things, and finding out, making a determination where I want to put the pancake box. Remember, I'm going to be putting this pancake box up there, step by step. I'll show you. You keep watching. You keep watching the videos, and it will start coming into view for you. And just know, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Would you look at that? I just happen to have a round box because I have some other boxes. You see, I just have these, and see, this is how a metal box or a plastic box is nailed to a stud. You see, it's got little nails there, and it nails in. So when it comes across, all you've got to do is cut the 2 nails off, and then you should be able to slide a box out. But because it's a round box, you see how a round box, now I don't know if that round box is exactly the same or not, but see how this one is? See, it's got the little sides, so you would put that on a stud like that and nail it on both sides. So see, I could have a big old plastic thing like that all the way around that I'm going to have to cut off, and it may be 2 of them like that, and I might miss the nails altogether. You see what I mean? If I can cut that plastic off from there over and from there over, if that's how it is up there, then that box, I should be able to slide it straight down, or push it up, get it out of the way, and then pull it back down or something after getting these out, after I get the box pushed out of there or something like that. You know, worst case scenario, I'm going to have to break the whole box apart. I don't really want to do that. I want to try to get it out. So that's what I'm up against. And so a little bit as I go, I think it's going to be like that, or it could have a tab on it. Let's see if I have a box that has a tab on the side. Yeah, see, like this. This is another kind of box. You just screw it on the stud. Well, that round thing, that round box could have a plastic thing like that on it that's screwed in. So you got different types of boxes, okay? And they don't all install exactly the same, but I'll get up there and figure it out. And see, one more thing. Of course, I got to get this box out first. Then I can verify exactly if those joists are exactly like the ones that go above the bathroom, and I'm pretty sure they are. Okay, I'm not going to start cutting a hole over here just yet. I've got to get this box out and check her out.